Today, we're going to unbox the highly anticipated Meta Quest Pro VR headset. Let's see what's inside the box. The first thing we see is the headset itself, with its sleek and futuristic design. The front plate is made of a high-quality, durable material that gives it a premium look and feel. The Meta Quest Pro features a 4K resolution display with a refresh rate of up to 120 Hz. This means that the image quality is significantly better than the Oculus Quest 2, with clearer and more vibrant visuals. The headset straps are adjustable, making it easy to get a comfortable and stable fit. Next, we have the two Oculus touch controllers, which are essential for navigating in virtual reality. The controllers have a comfortable grip and offer haptic feedback for a more immersive experience. Controllers all come with an internal battery and a USB cable to charge it. This 2-in-1 dock charges your Meta Quest Touch Pro controllers and any Meta Quest headset with a USB-C connection. The set also comes with 45W power adapter included, USB-C cable and controller charger cable. Of course, the manual book and dry optical lens microfiber cloth to clean lenses. Also, there's side magnetic light blocker to give you more immersive feel.
Apa nih? Galon nggak kamu ituin? Bisa beli baru, Beb? Punya kamu atau punya orang?
Kalau
Itu yang paling bagus atau biasa aja, Beb?
paling mewah ini.
Mas Roni Baby, mau minta THR, uang bulanannya udah mau habis.
THR.
Overall, the Meta Quest Pro represents a significant leap forward compared to the Oculus Quest 2 in terms of design, build, display, and technology. It is a premium VR headset that offers a more comfortable and immersive experience, with better visuals and more advanced features. So what do you think? It is worth the price? Do comment down below and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching, and we hope our video helped you to decide whether to buy or not.